Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to access Microsoft free certification, free courses, hands-on learning. Microsoft Learn is where everyone comes to learn, discover new skills, find certification, and advance your career in a minute with interactive hands-on learning path. Okay, this is the first step. Move towards to become an MIEE expert. MIE expert. So let's start. First, you need to click on Explore. When you click on it, it will take you another website. So I'm going to take start from the start. Okay, now I'm going to log in Microsoft Edge. Use Microsoft Edge. I'm using Microsoft Edge, and then click on this tab, plus sign, and in the URL type learn.microsoft.com and then press enter. Then this interface will appear. Then click on learn, explore learn, and you can even download your certificate as well. I'm going to show you that. Click on learn, explore learn, and then on the top right, this interface will appear. In the top right corner, click on sign in. Then here you have to use your official email address or Microsoft account. Just click, type over here, click on next, and then type your password. Then click on sign in. Yes, and then here is your profile. Welcome back, Faisal Jalil. Okay, now here's my level. It shows your level over here, and these are the points and the experience over here. Okay, and when you on the top right corner click here on this logo, you will enter in your profile. Just click on profile over here. Here you will get your achievement, and everything will appear over here. This is your achievement link. Copy it and paste it somewhere. Okay, or you can even upload using OneDrive. Okay, now one of my colleagues is asking how to download these badges, trophies, certificates. So it's very easy. Just click on these badges. It's a clickable link. Can you see this hyperlink over here? Bring your mouse pointer over here, click on it, and here it will appear over here. Okay, can you see this level up? This course, I have completed this course on this date. So when you click here, level up with Microsoft Office 365 Windows, click here on this printable link, this one printer, click on it. It will take you to the another window, and here you will get your certificate just like that. Everything is appear over here. Microsoft Facility O level has successfully completed level up with Office 365 and Windows. June 2021, 5 hours and 14 minutes I have spent to learn all this skill. Okay, then you click on print, then select landscape, portrait, it's up to you. Landscape, I prefer select this landscape, and then click on save. And your achievement facility low level, this is Microsoft.com. Select the destination and then click on save. That's how you can save your certificate in PDF file. Look here, downloaded successfully. Clear? Okay, now what else? Let me click on the trophies. These are the different trophies that I have earned. Okay, now this one, I've completed this course on 22nd. Okay, now OneNote Teachers Academy, click here. After completing these courses, you are able to get these Microsoft certificates. You can take print out and you can update your profile. Okay, now how to find the courses? It's very easy. Can you see your search bar over here? I recommend you to find these courses. Let me show you that how many courses I have done. Which one I'm going to recommend you. Okay, STEM level 1, do this course. Okay, and then go for the 21st century skill, uh, design a learning design, click on it, complete this course, and then click on continue, and then you are able to get the certificate and everything over here. Using 21st century skills, you can do what? 21st century CLD is for educating collection of 8 modules. These learning path provides educators with clear and the practical ways to develop 21st century skills using digital technology with their learners. Okay, you need to complete this course, 21st century skill learning design, and the end you have to, it will check your knowledge, and then they will award you a certificate badge. Okay, then if you are not able to find this certificate, this specific course, just type here on top right corner and type here 21st century, enter, and from here you can select these courses, right click on it, open a new tab, right click on it, open a new tab, right click, open a new tab. Okay, you need to complete these courses, and then you will get the certificate. Okay, transform learning with 21st century skills. Okay, this one, do this one, 21st century skill, and then all 3 courses, and after that I recommend you to go for which one, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Team courses, Office 65 courses, MI Academy trainers. Okay, engage 21st century learning, leverage TK and all that. Okay, Office 365, just type here. Okay, let's type here MS Team, enter. Explore Microsoft Team, manage team collaboration. Okay, meeting, conferencing, events, and Microsoft, and all these courses. These are very important courses. Getting started with managing Microsoft Team, learn. Right click on it, open a new tab. Okay, getting started with Room, plan your team meeting, create, manage teams, channels, and calendars. Okay, right click on it, open new tab. Getting started with managing Microsoft Teams, TK 3 hour and 26 minutes learning path. Okay, and then you need to complete this. Click on start. You need to read all this. Okay, after this module you will be able to, just like your planner. Okay, and when you will complete this level, you will get points over here. It will turn into a green, and it will be added over here. Okay, describe Microsoft Teams core workload, describe how Microsoft 365 integrate with team, describe how Microsoft Power Platform integrates with team, and explore architecture and all that. When you click on next, explore capabilities in Microsoft Teams and chat, collaboration, app, work, meeting, calls. You need to go through this, all this, read it, and at the end go next again. After completing this, I recommend please read this. It will increase your knowledge. Okay, what else? Okay, then form, type here MS form, enter. Create authentic assessment with Microsoft Form, right click, and then assign and assess learner with assignment and forms, right click on it. Do all these courses. I have already completed this one. Create and manage team channel with Microsoft Teams. I have already completed this, because this shows that I have completed this task. That's how you can complete, or you can access anything over here, from basics to advanced level. For example, I want to learn, let's say, Visual Basic. Visual Basic, C Sharp, these all the languages will appear. Visual Basic Studio, enter. Introduction to Visual Studio using learn.com, right click on it, getting started with Visual Studio, Windows 10 app, okay, and all that. So you can search any code over here. It will take only 90 minutes to complete this one. So start. I will complete these courses later on. These are interesting. Python, JavaScript, C Sharp, everything, IDL, integrated development learning environment. Okay, after completing these courses, then you are able to do what you are going to apply for the Microsoft Renewal course. Okay, those who have already get the Microsoft Innovative Expert certification, they need to go for apply again. Okay, let me show you that as well. Okay, let me click here. msedu.eventco.com, enter. This is our second step. In the first step, you need to go access learn.microsoft.com. In second step, you need to access msedu.eventco.com, and here you have to scroll down and register yourself. Right click on it. Sorry, click on it, left click, and here you have to select work or school account. Click on it, select work or school account, because we are using our official ID, school ID. So click on work or school. Then you need to select your email address, login, sign in, click on it. Okay, here's your personal account detail over here. Click on edit personal information, click on it, and you can change it from here. Everything you need to enter over here. First name, personal email address, okay, school email address, then you need to fill your address, this the city, country, then zip code, school information. Okay, everything you need to fill over here. It's very easy. Then you need to select your role at your school, then save and submit. Okay, then after that, go back, click on home. Okay, again register now. Now next step is add new self nomination. If you are applying this first time, then you need to click here. I'm going to renew, so I will click here, MIEE Expert registered. I'm going to apply this third time, so I need to click on renew. Okay, if you want to view your previous application, click on view application. Okay, self nomination, click here. Look here, I have filled this form earlier and all the details over here, all the links, whatever I have done, how I have trained people, okay, in my school, in the region, in the with colleagues and all that. Okay, how I have shared this knowledge with the parents, students, and with everyone. Okay, you need to add all. Okay, now let me go back, click on home. Let's click on renew. It's very easy. This time it's very easy. Just click on renew. Okay, MIEE expert returning survey. Okay, keep your answer between 500 and 200 characters. Okay, first question, how did you share your learning with educators and the school leaders this past year? Past year के बारे में आपने बताना है. Professional development, spoke at the conference, published a podcast. Okay, and then provide detail of what you shared and the impact on the educators and the leaders. You need to write your answer over here. कह रहे होंगे मैं पढ़ के बता रहा हूँ, हमें समझ नहीं आ रही, बट आप लोग कर लोगे इजीली. इट्स वेरी इजी. Oh, I have shared. my experiences and whatever I have learned on this platform. After learning from learn.education.com, after doing different certification, after getting the knowledge from there, and after getting the training from my leaders, from my SLs, subject leaders, I have integrated different trainings in the school, and I have trained my colleagues. And how to use MS Team, how to access OneDrive, how to upload links, how to use forms, how to create quizzes. Okay, how to manage your classes, how to create channels, how to use class notebook, OneDrive. Okay, how to access Microsoft Office 365, how to use your Outlook email, create emails, send emails, and all that, blah blah blah. Okay, then you need to enter over here, and you need to answer all these questions over here. My colleagues see me as the go-to person for the inside Microsoft tools or educational topic. Okay, for the topic you listed above, share a story how you have supported someone in this area. Look here, I'm supporting you, I'm creating the tutorial, and then I'm sharing with you. This is one way. Okay, describe how you give back to the MI expert community this past year. Okay, what are the three concrete ways you will engage in your MI expert community regionally and globally next year? You need to sit and you need to work on these questions, and then paste it over here, and then click on submit. Done. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any question or query, you can ask. Allah Hafiz, Long live Pakistan.